Morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 English language teacher. Today we are going to do a new chapter, that is the annual prize distribution function. Although it is not included in your syllabus, but I am taking it as a reading comprehension for you so that you can read the chapter and then find out the question answers from there. So it will be acting as a reading comprehension for you. So first of all, take out page number 77. Unit 16, the annual prize distribution function. So last Friday, it was the 25th of March. In our school, the annual prize distribution function was held. It is annually conducted to award students with different prizes for being excellent in studies, sports or other extracurricular activities. The school ground was full of children, their parents and the teachers of the school. The function started at 9 o'clock. A few verses of Holy Quran were recited. A group of girls came and recited a Naat. The orchestra played the national anthem of Pakistan. All the participants stood up to demonstrate reverence. Then there started a debate contest. Many girls and boys took part in it. They delivered speeches on the topic, Education distinguishes between men and animal. A boy of class 9 won the contest. Many little children also performed different roles on the stage. A little girl became a fairy. She looked a real fairy. A boy came on the stage in a uniform of a policeman. Someone became a genie. Someone became a king. They sang different songs and received much applause from the audience. Those students who had shown best performances studies were given prizes. When my name was announced, I felt excited. I had stood first in my class. I was called upon the stage, garlanded and awarded with a golden trophy. I felt proud. In the end, the principal came on the stage and congratulated the winners of the prizes. He also encouraged the losers, saying, "Work harder and you will be the next winners." The function lasted till 2:30. I came home with the trophy in my hand. This was the reading comprehension. Now turn on page number 78 to find out the answers of the questions. Exercise A, page number 78. Answer the following questions. I asked the children, first of all the children did the reading. I corrected them in their readings, and then after reading I explained them the chapter and also asking the questions at the same time. Then after that I turned on page 78 and answered the questions from the exercise A. Question number 1, when was the annual distribution function held? Question number 1's answer lies here. The annual distribution function was held last Friday on 25th of March. The second question is, why is it annually conducted? Why is it annually conducted? It means why this function is conducted. So answer number 2 is, it is annually conducted to award students with different prizes for being excellent in studies, sports or other extracurricular activities. Now question number 3, where was the function held? The function was held in the school ground. The next question, question 4, what time did the function start? The function started at 9 o'clock. Question number 5, what was recited in the beginning? So, a few verses of Holy Quran were recited in the beginning. Then question number 6, who recited a Naat? The answer lies here. A group of girls came and recited a Naat. We have done till question number 6. We'll do the rest of the questions in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much. You try to solve these questions in your rough copies. When your copies will come, I'll give you to do it in your fair copies. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.